Okay, let's walk on and head out to the green gate. Look at how strong you are.
Therapeutic riding has now become a very recognized form of therapy. The federal government is recognizing it, insurance companies are recognizing it, doctors are recognizing it. We are part of the state park system. We have about 33 acres, 16 horses, and about 120 riders a week. We have a group that comes from the Gainesville VA, and a doctor comes with them almost every week because it's just really helping their group a lot. Really what we're doing is just providing a very tranquil place to come and just breathe and just realize that there's more to life than all the goings on outside of these gates.
I love it. I love coming out here. I love the staff. It certainly puts my brain in a different place, you know.